So we said we are to differentiate from the first principle, f of x is equals to 2x cubed plus 3. Now, using the first principle, we said if we are to go with the formula method, it says what? The limit as what?
H
approaches
0.
F of x plus h minus
F of x
all upon h. But because of the body is too small, we're going to break it down. First take f of x plus h. In this question here, anywhere we see x, we replace it with what? F plus h. So therefore, f of x plus h is therefore equals to 2 into the value for x will be replaced with what? X plus h. But it is raised to the power 3, we raise it to the power 3 plus 3. So now, because it has power 3, it means we multiply the bracket by itself 3 times. So that will give us 2 into x plus h multiplied by x plus h multiplied by x plus h plus this 3 here. So we're going to do the first two brackets. We say when clearing bracket, we multiply the first value here by everything in the second bracket, the next one by everything. Meaning, if I could demonstrate, we multiply x by x here, and then the same x with h. And then we go to h multiplied by x, and this by this. So therefore, this will give us 2 into x times x, which is x squared, plus x times h will give us xh. That's for the first value. Plus x times h will give us xh, plus h times h is h squared, all multiplied by x plus h plus 3. We can still simplify. Now here, these that are the same, we can add them. We have xh plus xh. We have one xh, one xh. When you add them, it gives us 2xh. So this plus this will give us 2xh plus h squared multiplied by this value here, which is x plus h plus 3. Alright, so now here we're going to multiply everything in this bracket by these two values. Take the first one, multiply by everything. Take the second one, multiply by everything also. So this will give us 2 into x times x squared will give us x cubed plus x times 2xh will give us 2x squared h plus x times h squared will give us x h squared. That's we have done with the first one. We go to the next one, which is h. We take h multiplied by this will give us x squared h plus h times 2x h will give us 2x h squared. Then plus h times h will give us h cubed. Everything plus 3. Alright. Now we can add those that are the same. The square by the square. That is x squared h we put them together. H squared, we add or simplify them. So now here we have 2 into the first value here is x cubed. Here we have x squared h. Is there any other x squared h here then? So this is 2x squared h plus 1x squared h is what? That is 3x squared h. Yes. Now, we said we multiply the square by the square, so we have added the x squared h to the x squared h, which gives us 3x squared h. Plus we now go to the xh squared. Here we have 1xh squared and here is 2. That will give us 3x
h squared.
And then plus what? The h cube. And then plus 3. So now we can multiply everything by these 2. So 2 times x cube will give us 2x cubed plus 2 times 3x squared h will give us 6x squared h plus 2 times 3x h squared will give us
6x h squared.
And then plus
h
2h cube and then plus 3. So that's for what? F of x plus h. And now we're going to add minus f of x. But we know that f of x is what? 2x cubed
Plus 3.
So this whole value minus f of x. So f of x plus h minus f of x. So anywhere we see f of x plus h, with this value here, which is 2x cubed plus 6x squared h plus 6x h squared plus 2h cubed plus 3 minus f of x. What is f of x?
2x plus 3
2x cubed
plus 3.
Mind you, this negative will affect everything there. So this will give us 2x cubed plus 6x squared h plus 6x h squared plus 2h cubed minus plus 3. Now the minus times plus is minus 2x cubed. Minus times plus is minus. But we have explained that when the quantities are the same, but the signs are different, it is 0. So 2x cubed, we cancel minus 2x cubed. And then plus 3, we cancel minus 3. So we are left with 6x squared h plus 6x h squared. And then plus 2h cubed. Now, but the formula says everything must be divided by what? H. Meaning f of x plus h minus f of x